Today I'm here in Niagara on the lake with my dog Kipper, and we're going to be trying something a little bit different. For the first time ever, Kipper is going to be participating in the Niagara Dock Diving League. So I'm going to let Kipper go and sniff out some of his competition while I have a chat with the organizer.
We had an opening event at the beginning of June and invited everyone out to come and try it, and have had a really big, the league's been growing. We've been pretty full most weeks. Tonight we're almost full. And the dogs they're blossoming. They love it. We're seeing bigger jumps every week out of the dogs. We're seeing dogs that we couldn't even get off the ramp before are now jumping in. And so we're really excited to have this. It's a fun league. There are going to be prizes at the end we've divided our ranks kind of using minor hockey. So we've got our Timbits that jump under 5 feet up to our All-Stars that are jumping over 25 feet.
Kipper had to think twice before making his first dive. But for many of these dogs, it quickly becomes second nature. Some dive nights have seen over 20 dogs clamoring for dock time. Participants are able to arrive early to work on their skills before the competition starts. When it does, each dog jumps 4 times in front of a supportive audience.
Riley's a brand new dock jumper this summer. She's 4 years old. She's a yellow lab. She's my service dog, and we were looking for something interesting to do outside of service work, and she absolutely loves it.
Riley loves coming to the pool for dive nights, but there's something in the experience for Wendy as well.
I get to see Riley enjoy playing and having fun, and as I said, she's my service dog, so it's nice to give her a different outlet to do things. We spend our entire days together anyway. So our communication's pretty good, but it's really nice to be able to give back to her something that she's really enthusiastic about it. Like she's busy watching the dogs behind you instead of actually looking at the camera or anything else like that. She's focused. She's ready to go. She's whimpering. She's making all kinds of sounds she doesn't normally make. Hey buddy, it's okay.
Jade the Doberman was introduced to the sport innocently enough after diving off the dock at a cottage. Fast forward a couple of summers, and Jade is a regular at dive competitions in Niagara and beyond.
We've done it just on and off as fun, and over the years we just seem to do it more and more each summer.
Now, what are the benefits you see for Jade and for yourself as a dog owner in a sport like this?
It definitely keeps her very fit. Like over the summer with jumping, she gains a lot of muscle, and then as the winter rolls around, you see that back end muscle kind of deteriorate because she's not doing a sport that's so aggressive with building the back end muscle.
For dogs like Jade, Thursdays can't get here soon enough.
The whole ride here, we're very attentive, looking out the window, knowing that we're coming close, and the whole driveway walk up, she whines. She's ready for the pool till she gets her first jump.
My motto is that an active dog is a happy dog. So getting them out, getting them moving, they're socializing. These dogs go home, it doesn't look like they're doing a lot. Okay, they jumped in the pool a couple of times and they had a little swim. They go home exhausted because they're excited. They're watching other dogs, they're out in the fresh air. Us people are also exhausted, and everyone cheers everybody on, which is it's a really great community that you have in the dock diving world because you are really just competing with yourself.
2 more weeks remain in the league's year before making a splash of a return in 2024. And as for Kipper, well, practice makes perfect. From Niagara on the Lake, reporting for The Source, I'm Mitchell Glass.